This is Prabhakar Alok, and I'm the founder of SEO Bees Rank. So basically, these are my local my business account, and let me check our insights. Like query, I'm generating like if someone searches ACO, so 29 users are finding my business, right? And if someone searches ACO Glasgow, then they will 18 users are finding my websites. So these are the organic growth where like 79.2% is organic searches, and for direct searches like 28.8% means 35 people are searching directly. And total number of visitor I'm getting 8, and there are no enough data on rest of things. So these are my local SEO data, which is known as Google My Business data, like you can see. And 281 views, 2.57 activities, searches 168 and all. So it's quite great insight, right? Now let's come to our dashboard. This is my ACOBaseRank.com website, and this is the Webmaster Tools. So let me check our performance. So last, like, let me, it's a new website basically. So last 28 days I have got 3 clicks to 19 impressions. Average CTR is 1.4%. Average position is around 11, right? 10.8. So what are the keywords like people are searching? So if they write digital marketing, they I got 1 clicks to impressions. CTR is great. Position is 4th number, right? Local SEO services near me, 1 clicks, 1 impression, CTR is 100%. Like if someone search a local SEO services near me and position is 1. Now this is my SEO class, this is searched by me, right? So average position is 7.1. Like if someone search SEO, impression in 42 but no one clicks, so CTR obviously 0 and position is approximately 15.8. So these are the keyword like people are searching, and let me, so all 17 results, like what they are searching: SEO company, digital company, marketing SEO, digital agency SEO, SEO help near me, consultant SEO, SEO professional, SEO Glasgow, SEO consult. So these are the things like people are searching. Well, let me know the pages which is finding. So these are the pages like SEO Glasgow main page, SEO rank. It's a contact us page. Like 72 people, 72 impressions are there. In this page, 2 clicks are there. Main page got 1 clicks. Average CTR is very low, but yeah, we try to improve. When the ranking will approve, then it obviously the CTR will also improve. So its average position on ACRP is like 12th number, right? And this one is around 6th. So these are the average positions. And let me know about the countries like UK. I have got good searches from UK. Yeah, this is my Indian. Like most of the time I am searching. And US, Canada, Germany, Brazil, Malaysia, unknown reason, Morocco, Vietnam. Let me switch to 500. Turkey. Like I have got 1 impression. So these are the impressions I am getting. Right, it's a very new website, fresh website. So these are the devices. These are the search appearance data is not fetched yet. So on which date like I am getting this kind of stuffs. So let me check. Like from 19 July, I from 19 July I'm getting these kind of searches. 19 July 1 clicks, and 27 July 1 clicks, right? And look at the position. You can see like how this is how people are searching on this keyword, right? Now let me know the coverage. There are no error right now because I have already told. So I have submitted this on 13th July, right? 13 14 July, and it's 29 or 30 July. So around 15-16 days. It's a very fresh website, very fresh website. And it has, like, according to me, it has good performance, right? We have got 3 clicks, Yes, we have got two queries also. One lead is converted and one is yet in process. I don't think they will it will convert, but yeah, I will try to convert. But yeah, getting good impressions and getting like 3 clicks, I got one lead converted. So it's a great thing for us. And yes, these are the things I love to share with you guys, so that you, if you need any kind of ACO services or any kind of ACO services in near Glasgow or near UK, you can contact us. I will mention our website link and contact details in the uh, description box. So thank you so much guys for having us. Let me show you our website. These are the website. This is the website, sorry. Like this is my chatbot. It is created from HubSpot, right? It's a basically free. This is our WhatsApp integration. Like uh, it's a quick lead generation thing. So these are our number, so you can contact us, right? So these are the services which I am providing: the website development, SEO company, PPC, SEO audit, local SEO copywriting, social media marketing, Facebook marketing, e-commerce website. So if you wanted to, if you wanted some SEO services, then you can chat with us. So yeah, these are our portfolio which we have made. And yeah, you can inquire through through this. uh, you can inquire by filling these forms, and these are our mobile number and contact number, so that you can easily contact with us. So we are providing digital marketing, SEO, website development, mobile app development, Google and SEO copywriting, and many more. And we try to help you in generating lead also. So if you need any service, just click on contact number, or you can just WhatsApp us, or you can just hit on quick chat button, and or you can schedule a call with us. These are the things you have to enter, and we will happy to serve you. So thank you so much guys, and stay with us. We will come with some amazing performance. And yeah, so thank you so much for connecting with us, and I hope this video helps you. And again, if you are looking for any SEO services or website development services or any kind of digital services, I'm there. So thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you.